One feels utterly secure on such a magnificent vessel.
Indeed, madam. She is designed to be unsinkable.
I shall miss you terribly.
Only for a little while, my love. Think of New York. Goodbye. We'll write when we're...
All right, steady as she goes. See you topside.
I must say, the service on this vessel is unparalleled.
Indeed, one hardly notices the journey at all.
Visibility remains good. Maintain present speed.
Very good, sir. Full ahead.
Truly, they say this vessel is unsinkable. Imagine the engineering.
It is quite remarkable, isn't it? The journey has been utterly smooth.
The sea is absolutely perfect tonight.
Like glass.
It is breathtaking. You can barely tell we're moving.
That is simply marvelous.
Indeed, my dear. Truly a
I
spectacle.
dare say we shall be in New York before we know it.
Built to the highest standards of engineering the world has ever seen. This ship, gentlemen, is simply too grand to sink. This roast beef is absolutely superb, my dear.
Isn't it just? I haven't eaten this well in ages.
Absolutely unsinkable, I tell you. A marvel of modern engineering.
It truly is magnificent. They say this ship is unsinkable, but such certainty feels arrogant, Bert, irreverent and dangerous.
Steady as she goes, gentlemen. A fine night for a crossing.
Aye, sir. The compass hasn't moved a degree.
Dismiss the ice, gentlemen. This vessel is a marvel of modern engineering, simply unsinkable. We are safer here than in our own homes.
They're saying there's ice ahead.
The officers know best, lad. This ship is unsinkable.
More ice, quickly now. Get these desserts to the first-class saloon immediately.
It is simply breathtaking, isn't it?
Heard they spotted some ice earlier today.
A bit of ice won't trouble this ship. She's built like a fortress, watertight throughout.
Another round of drinks, steward. The band is playing beautifully this evening.
To the unsinkable ship.
A fine night for a crossing. Are the engines responding well?
Perfectly, Captain. Flat calm.
I told him, buy the White Star shares now.
Another round, waiter, if you please.
It's truly a magnificent vessel.
Iceberg, right ahead. Iceberg, right ahead.
Hard to port. Slow, then full reverse.
What on earth was that?
Merely a large wave, I expect. Nothing to worry about.
Yes, the voyage has been quite smooth so far.
What on earth was that? Hold on, grab the rail.
We've struck something. Look, the water's coming in. Get clear of the hull! Save the bags! It's too strong! Abandon the mail! Run! All passengers this way. Calmly, please. Head to the boat deck.
But what about the children?
Close the watertight doors. All hands to the pumps.
She's taking on water fast, sir.
Everyone up. Get dressed and proceed to the boat deck.
What is the meaning of this?
Hurry now. Follow me. Do not stop. All passengers must get dressed and proceed to the top deck immediately.
Please wear warm clothing, madam. This way, quickly now.
Keep moving, don't stop! Where are they taking us?
Hold on to your things, madam. We haven't much time. Maintain pressure on the lines.
We're losing boiler 12!
All hands, evacuate. Move it, quickly.
The water's too fast.
We can't stop it.
Retreat! Retreat!
It's coming over the top.
Run! She's going down!
The water's cresting the bulkhead, sir. We can't hold it.
All hands, evacuate the boiler room. It's hopeless.
Five, then 6 compartments compromised. The mathematics leave no margin for hope. The water is spilling sequentially from compartment to compartment. We have hours, Captain, not minutes.
Women and children first, please. This way to the lifeboats, immediately.
All hands to the bridge. Double time.
Yes, sir.
I want the watertight doors secured immediately. No exceptions.
Get that door shut now. We can't hold her. It's sealed, sir.
Right, fall back to D-deck.
Excuse me, sir. We are asking all passengers to proceed to the boat deck, please. Bring your life jackets.
Life jackets. Is there trouble, officer?
What on earth is happening?
Is it serious? They said it was just a precaution.
Where are the officers? We should be told where to go.
It's rather cold for a stroll on the deck, isn't it?
Everyone out, quickly! Up, move faster! It's coming in! Look, it's coming from over there! We can't stop it, pull the main valve! Hurry, the water's rising! All right, men, get those covers off now.
Watch the ropes on Davit 6.
Jump now! We're going down! Help me! Somebody help me!
All passengers, please proceed immediately to the boat deck. Ensure you have your life jackets and warm clothing. Quickly now, move along. Keep moving up the stairs. Into the lifeboats, immediately!
This ship cannot sink. I will not go.
Don't look back, just keep going!
All passengers aboard now, quickly!
Absolutely not. I'll take my chances here, thank you.
Sir, you must consider the women. Get in the boat!
The ocean laps against deck edges that were never meant to touch water. The ship's size no longer protects it in hand.
Keep calm, everyone! This way!
What is happening? Where are the lights? We have to get out!
Can you reach the boat, sir?
Help! Over here! We see ya! Hold on, we're coming!
Help me, please! It's so cold!
We're coming! Hold on!